everything going today? How's your day? Okay, so uh, the name is Jane Smith. I have some Tussin, that's 20 milligrams by mouth. The time is 7:30. Are you allergic to anything, Miss Smith? No, ma'am. Okay, good to know. Okay, the name is Jane Smith. The time is 7:30. We have some Tussin, 200 milligrams by mouth. Okay. All right. Miss Smith, I'll be back in exactly 1 hour to check on you to make sure everything is okay. Here's your call light. You can call me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Hey, Mrs. Smith, I'm back. The time is now 8:30. I'm just here to make sure that you're not having any side effects, drowsiness, feeling weird or anything. No, ma'am. Everything is okay. Okay then, Mrs. Smith. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.